So then to put water in your French press, use a Keurig. It's very easy. There's no pod, hit the button. So people ask me, how do you clean this French press? So you get all kinds of coffee grounds down there. It's pretty simple. You always get some water in the bottom. If you don't have any, you add a little water. Swirl it around. Don't spray it all over spill it everywhere like that, because that's gonna be the mess that people talk about. And you just dump the stuff into a bucket. That's it. And then you got some grounds. Add a little bit more water. Got a bunch of water. The main thing is use a leak-proof bag in this bucket. You just dump it in there. Then have a bunch of, after a few days you'll have some water in there, and that's just the way it is. And actually, this is gonna do. It wasn't really much. There's really not much left in there. There's no scrubbing required, especially if you just made coffee the day before. You just dump it on here. You just rinse it off with water. You're ready to go. You don't even need to use soap. I mean, it's just coffee beans and water. So even for 2 days, if you don't want to wash it with soap, you don't have to. You're done. You're ready to go. That's it. See?